yourself something?
Hey guys, Frankie here. Hope you're good today. Okay, quick update regarding Azha trading software. I started on 3K last week, as you know. So I put the dates here to make things easier for you guys. Started on 3K. After a few days, I was on 3108. Then on the 7th, I was on 3146. Then I progressed to 3196. And now I'm standing on 3228. The good news for today is I just found out that this software has been reduced to 1K instead of 2K. So at the moment, instead of paying 2K, you're paying 1K for Azha trading software. And when you get to this page here, this is what you need to do. So yeah, that's 1K instead of 2K for Azha. I'm not sure how long they're gonna keep this promo on. A lot of people, most people bought it for 2K. It's been reduced to 1K for Black Friday again, and this promotion is now being currently extended. So if you're interested, if you want to grab Azha trading forex trading software for 1K instead of 2K, just contact me privately, or you can use this link. It's below in the description of the video, but contact me privately if you want to get started. You need to put money on your forex trading account. You need a forex broker. So if you are new to forex trading, you need to purchase the software, and on top of that, you need to put money on your forex broker, on your forex trading account. If you're not new to forex trading, you know what to do. You just need to make sure that you have enough balance on your trading account. If you do not know how to trade, it doesn't matter, because the software does everything for you. You don't need to do anything at all. I will set you up privately with my account manager. That's an extra fee of $200 a month, being again fully transparent here. To get started with Azha, you need the software, of course, 1K. You need money on your forex account, and then if you want to be completely hands-free, which is what I'm doing, you need to get account management for an extra $200 a month. And yes, I can anticipate your question. And yes, you still make a hell lot of profit at the end of the month, even with all those fees. Okay, so once you get set up with the forex trading software, once you put money on your account, once you get account management for $200 a month, that's it. You just check your phone on a daily basis. Okay, check your phone on your daily basis, and then yeah, you see your account grow, and then you can compound it and do what you need to do. It's just another avenue for you guys to make money. It's not the be all and all. Okay, it's just another avenue for you guys to make money hands off and completely on autopilot. This is Frankie. I gotta run. If you want to grab Azha for 1K instead of 2K, let me know. Contact me privately. You got my email address in the description. You got all the links in the description below of this video. I gotta run. Take care. See ya.